Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll talk about my BEIGE CLAIR flap from Chanel in the medium size that I purchased 2 years ago. I have been receiving so many inquiries to review this bag, and I decided to record this video for you. By the way, in the end of the video, I will show to you the modeling shots with the bag. If you like my content, please consider subscribing to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And please also consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about jewelry, luxury shopping vlogs, Dior, Chanel bags, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, style and fashion, and beauty products. So let's begin. I have featured this bag during my early days when I just started YouTubing, which was about 2 years ago. I remember I was talking about this bag. I was very excited to buy it in Cannes. It was quite an adventure to locate this bag. I couldn't find it in France. It was sold out and I managed to find it in Cannes. This bag is in immaculate condition. It looks brand new. There is no any single sign of wear on this bag. And the hardware still looks quite good. I love the fact that it's in a yellow gold hardware, which is my favorite. Nowadays, Chanel mostly has light gold hardware, which is fine, but I still prefer the yellow gold hardware. And by the way, when I was buying this bag, there was a choice of getting it with yellow hardware or silver hardware. And I remember thinking that the flap with the silver hardware just looks so dull, and it really didn't suit me at all. So I'm very happy I got this one. Many of you are actually scared to get this color because it's very light, it's prone to stains, but I think it depends on the way you look after it. The leather of this bag is so good, and there is no even indentations on this bag, which is excellent, and it usually happens with so many bags. And inside it still looks brand new, no signs of wear whatsoever. I actually don't use bag inserts either. I feel like they are suitable for bigger bags, but not for the size small or medium. They're just too heavy, they occupy too much space, and they're just a waste of money in my opinion. By the way guys, I have previously posted a video about how I look after my bags. I will link it down in the description box below for you guys in case you want to check it out. I'm sharing some tips, how I keep my bags looking pristine. I hope that you will find this video useful. By the way, I have to be very careful with the stitches of the bag. In the past, I used to use the hidden compartment, but the stitch popped. And I also have to be careful with the button, with the inner button, because it got cracked when I was flying on a plane, and I think because of the pressure it cracked. And I had to bring it to Chanel and they replaced it for me, but still I had to be away from my bag, and I think I had to pay 100 Singapore dollars to replace the inner button. At least Chanel didn't charge me for the stitching. It was free of charge, which is fantastic, at least something that was taken care of by Chanel. Anyways, this bag is so easy to style. It's such a classic color, it never goes out of fashion. I really like it a lot, and I'm so happy that I have it in my collection. I love to pair this bag with my sling bags in the beige and black color. I like this a lot. Actually, the color is not exactly identical. If you look up close, the sling bags are a bit more yellowish, while my bag is a bit more beige. It's not exactly the same match, but it looks quite close in my opinion. By the way, these sling bags are actually brand new. I bought them a couple of months ago. I haven't even worn them. I have exactly the same pair that I wear all the time. So I wanted to show you that the color didn't change over the time. It's just the shade of the sling bags is a bit different. And by the way, many of you guys have been asking me if my bag turned more yellow over the time. No, it did not, and that's because I used a humidifier, and I talked about it in the video that I will link down below for you guys. I love the fact that the caviar on this bag is so much thicker. If I compare it with my other flaps, you can see the grains are so much bigger, which is great. And also if I compare it with my card holder, which is a classic design using the classic leather, you can see it's pretty much the same, and the thickness of this leather is the same. If you're planning to buy this bag on a pre-loved market, I would highly recommend the 25th series because I'm so happy with the quality of the caviar. It's honestly the best that I have, and sturdier and thicker caviar helps to keep the bag new for as long as possible. By the way, guys, I will show to you the items that I typically carry in my bags. I don't carry many things. I'm missing the phone here because I'm actually recording with my phone, but these are the items that I need nowadays, my key essentials. I don't need to carry many other items. I try to just bring whatever is necessary for me. Moving on to the modeling shots, I tend to wear this bag on my shoulder. I like this look the most. Actually, that's how I carry most of my medium flaps. I think it's so comfortable. I like the look, it's so elegant, and I like to wear it this way with my blazers and jeans or trousers. I find shoulder bags the most comfortable, and usually I carry other things in my hands. For example, if I go to work, I have my laptop bag, or I have to carry my cell phone out, for example, to scan to go into a mall. We have to scan everywhere nowadays, or I use it for digital payments. And that's why it's convenient to not to have to carry something else in your hand, like a top handle bag, for example. And that's why I still can't pull the trigger on a Birkin bag. I feel like I will not be using it as often. I love the way it sits crossbody. I like that it's high. I prefer that look. I don't like when the bag falls too low. It feels uncomfortable. And I also sometimes carry it in my hands like that. I just pull the strap inside and it stays this way. And also I like to carry it on my shoulder. It's very convenient. I usually carry it that way whenever I wear something dark, like for example dark jeans, and I'm scared of the color transfer. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys liked this video and found it useful. Please consider subscribing to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and check out my Instagram account, which is the same as my YouTube account, which is Black and Gold Style. Have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!